1.3 billion people in India are on a verge of water crisis. By 2030, we would need 2 times more water than what we are consuming today, and farmers use 90% of the drinkable water. And the crisis has already hit us. It has rendered millions of hectares of arable land completely useless. Unless there is a more scalable and sustainable way of farming, India will face a huge crisis of supply of fruits and vegetables. Indian agriculture is called the backbone of Indian economy, and it's a way of life for so many farmers and so many millions of households. But it has been seeing a lot of downward trend and sometimes even a negative growth. It faces many challenges, and many of them are not being addressed even today. Some of them are huge dependencies of monsoon for water and irrigation. Third generation farmers not being able to step into farming and rather choosing something in the urban areas for the way of living. Fragmented land holdings with less than 2 acres of land, and complete lack of unsustainable ways of farming and using huge amount of pesticides is amounting to degradation of soil. Majority of the Indian farmers still depend on rice and wheat as a way of living and farming. Unless there is a much better way to convey to farmers on what to grow and how to grow, I don't think we will be able to sustain the population explosion we've been having and the declining resources of natural resources. To fill the supply gap, we need to increase our productivity by 3 times by 2030, and we cannot use the current as unsustainable ways to get there. On the consumer side of the story, even today, consumers do not have a choice to choose better quality produce, and they do not have a better quality brand to rely on. 56% of the produce sold in India is completely filled with pesticides, and even consumers know that, while it is filled beyond 75 times of its required levels. We need to change the way we've been doing and growing things from decades. How do we grow more using less? How do we scale this in such a way that even marginal farmers are able to afford this? The most important question is, can we grow more using less? Yes. The way forward is hydroponic farming and vertical farming. As the word suggests, hydroponics is soilless farming. It means that it does not use any soil to grow and uses 95% less water. And it uses the same water again and again, which means that even in areas like Rajasthan or in areas where huge heavy climatic fluctuations happen, we'll still be able to grow, which means that this is one way towards sustainable agriculture. Now I'm going to take you through how we're going to farm, and we have been growing from the last 2 years. I'm going to give you a glimpse of this kind of farming and see what this is going to take us forward. It all starts with the seeding process. Since we don't use soil in hydroponics, we use coco peat or peat moss. Plants like cucumber and capsicum and all other leafy greens can be grown in this technique. We sow them in coco peat pods and let them germinate in humid, dark place, making sure that the coco peat is slightly moist at all times. Once germinated, we start watering them in nutrient-rich water. After 14 to 21 days of plant in nursery, they get ready for the next step. We now have to start removing the plants from the coco peat pods and transfer the fully grown seedlings
to net pots, which are placed in NFT channels or tubes with higher concentration of nutrient-rich water circulated. It's surprising how little water is required in this technique, and since we don't use any soil, it can be grown vertically by growing more in less. Here you go. It's as simple as it is.
Now that you know how we farm, we are today enabling so many farmers here in Hyderabad to grow the way we are growing. This technique can be adapted in both urban areas, creating a huge urban jungles in the cities we live in, completely cutting down the entire supply chain and bringing food as close as possible, making it the most fresh and local and sustainable way to grow produce. The number of crops we can grow is humongous, and we'll be able to grow not just leafies or greens or herbs, but we can grow your basics like tomatoes, cucumbers, chilies, and capsicums. If India switches over to this kind of agriculture, this can go a long way in creating a sustainable ecosystem for all of us. And we know that this is the future of farming.